Welcome to our DC motor setup video. In this video, we will briefly go over how to set up a brushed DC motor with encoder using the TITAN controller. Remember, the TITAN can work with many different types of motors, so please check out our other tutorial videos. First, let's connect a DC motor with encoder. Let's power up the controller and check communication using USB. Go to the motor setup window. First, let's check the encoder resolution of the motor. Click the encoder check button. You can rotate the motor shaft and see the encoder count changing. Try turning the motor several full turns and you will also see the encoder resolution value. Open the motor database wizard. Click Consent and go to the next screen. Choose the brushed DC motor and input the manufacturer, motor name, voltage, rated current, and max current for the motor. Here you can see the encoder count and the power supply voltage. Next, we will perform the auto detect routine. First, the encoder count resolution is determined using the encoder index channel. If there is no index channel, you will need to manually input the encoder resolution. Next, the motor electrical parameters are determined. And finally, the motor mechanical parameters are determined. Save the parameters to the database file so that we can reuse the database when using the same motor with other TITANs. Now we will test motion of the motor from the test drive window. To test motion, first enable the motor. You can see that the motor is enabled and in position. Here you can try different jogging or position moves to test the motion of the motor. Please check out our tutorial video on the test drive. Once you attach a load to the motor, you will want to tune the system parameters from the tuning window. To learn how to do this, see the tutorial video on setting up a ball screw stage. Go to the configuration window. Here you can see various configuration settings. Exit out of configuration and open the parameter window. Here you have the full summary of the setup, which includes the motor database values and the full system configuration values. Once everything is finalized, a store-to-flash can be performed to save all settings to the TITAN. You can also save the system settings to a file so that they can be loaded to another TITAN with the same setup. Please check out our other tutorials on how to set up other motor types. Thank you for watching and happy servoing!